not good economics and bad prudent fiscal management. The Chief Minister should know and the government should know that the current जो आज economyचो जो status आहे, that foreign tourist inflow is completely unsatisfactory. The mining operation आज जातले फाल जातले म्हणून जी आमकां आश्वासनां दिलें, this seems to be only on paper. CAG has red flagged several GSTB to death ratios. Now, Speaker Sir, the Chief Minister, what authorized him? Why was the original budgetary allocation, why was this insufficient? And why this abnormality in this budget implementation? 1,360 of these buildings, 660, there is no structural audit. Whether they are unsafe, what happens to the future of the children, the Honorable Chief Minister needs to explain. प्रत्येक दिसाक एक accident जाता. Why is this? Because of bad road engineering, or I believe that the government should own this responsibility. You can't just blame it on human error. प्रत्येक दिसाक why is this happening? Is it bad engineering? Or what infrastructure needs to be changed? I believe that the Honorable Chief Minister needs to look at it. जे fatal accidents are there, we say drink and driving. How many alcohol meters have been provided to the police department? This is a big question mark, Speaker Sir. And the pendency of the cases is 90%. This is a shocking thing that is happening, Speaker Sir. Je law and order je problems ala in the police department. What needs to be taken? Oita ithinga police loka pettai, bara pettai, shopan pettai, hui ametting pettai. So this has to stop. We are setting a bad example. There is a mention also of WRD. आज जेन्ना मादयचे आज जो मोठो प्रॉब्लेम आसा आनी हो मोठो प्रॉब्लेम रिजॉल्व करपाक आमी स्पेशल सेशनाक उलयल्ले, स्पेशल दीस घेतलेलो. टुडे द मादय कमिटी इज डिफंक्ट, इट इज डॉर्मंट, इट इज स्लीपिंग. आनी गेले ते विधानसभेन मुखेलमंत्रीन अनाउन्समेंट केल्लें जे प्रवा म्हणून हें ऑफिस जे सेटअप जालें, आज तेजी हाल कितें, स्पीकर सर? वॉट इज द रियलिटी?